Hi, good day, everyone. Uh, this tutorial is for sales affiliate and ambassador who wanted to look up prices and sell AkolagTech product and services. So I'm gonna make it simple so you can understand. Nothing really complicated, just so that you understand what the product is and services and how to look up price excuse me, and how to place the order and sell it to the client. So, uh, first of all, what is our product? What do we sell as AkolagTech to our client? And and most people know what AkolagTech does, and also what do we what services do we provide? So if you go to our website, AkolagTech.com, this is our main page. This is the company web page. And if you navigate through the website, you can see different things. You can go and read about us, what we do. You can read our services that we provided, and the solution that we provided for client. So I'm gonna just go over the product. So if we go to the main website and you are navigating and trying to see, how do I see what AkolagTech products do? How do I find out what product or services that AkolagTech offer? So this is some of the ways you can, first is to look on the website first to see, what product. And we always try to market and, provide all the marketing materials for sales, affiliate program, uh, affiliate marketing and ambassador program so that they know what product and services we do offer. So this is just navigating through the website menu. So if you go to the services, you see some of the services that we provided. You can go through it. And our product is also, we have a list of product, which is the hosting product, which is web hosting, email. If you click on it, it takes you to the page. Domain, web design, security, affiliate, and enterprise solution, which is the backup, business continuity, marketing and sales, and then the solution. So for hosting, what we can do is we can go to the hosting page. If you click here, hosting, it'll take you to the hosting page directly. Or you can just type in host.akolagtech.com. So we provide the hosting platform for our client that he can order directly from the website. Everything can be automated from the website. So sometimes you might just need to direct the customer to go to the website if they are techy enough to place their order themselves. If not, this order can be placed offline. And I'll show you what's the process. So, just navigating through the product, you see all kind of product that we have. You can just go through each one of them and learn a little bit more about. I'm not going to go detail because everything is self-explanatory. Everything is already explained online. If somebody's wanted to know more about what services or product that we offer, but this tutorial just to find out how to look up price and how to sell AkolagTech products. So if we are looking for the prices are online. So for example, if somebody's looking for hosting, web hosting, you can click, web email or cloud hosting, just click on the link and it's going to take you to a page that will, that you can read a little bit information and then you can click and then it'll take you directly to the e-commerce website. You can always change the few in Nigeria, this is going to default to Naira. So this is the pricing lookup online for any of our services, products. This example is the web hosting, and then you can see the price, and you can see some of the features and what is included in each plan. Uh, you can send a link directly to your customers, or you can also go in and look. If for some reason you can't get to the website to look up the price, we also have the prices in the spreadsheet that you can download. So if you go to AkolagTech.com and then you click on price, just put price, AkolagTech.com/price at the end. This will take you directly to the price listing. So we have all our prices here. This you can download. You can go into file and then you can click download. You can download as PDF or Excel. So this is where and we always constantly update, and this is the last time we updated. So nothing has changed. So the prices is here. You can take a look. All our product and services are listed here, and this is one way that you can look up the price. This can be downloaded and printed. Can be print anywhere if you have access to the printer, or you can save it on your computer. But this is more for like somebody who just don't want to go to the website and look up the price. So again, AkolagTech.com/price, and then this will take you to the price page, doc Excel document, and then everything is the same price is also listed here. So everything is correlated with the same thing that is in here. And if we update this, we always trying to update the website as well. So so that everything is sync and loop. You can also look the price for the web design. If somebody is trying to design a website, this give you an estimate and information about the web's design, and also other security, hosting, if you want to do cloud hosting, VPS, which is virtual private cloud. So, these are the places that you can find all these resources. And then if you have any question, you can always contact us. If you're in Nigeria, you contact this number. You can send us email. We also on WhatsApp. There's so many avenues that you can reach us to get access to these prices or all this information if a client is looking for. So this is the way of getting your prices and looking up the price online, and also on the spreadsheets as well. This spreadsheet, Excel spreadsheet, you can download it locally on your computer. You can print it out if you want to. So how do you sell, since we know how to find the prices online on the website, and then offline or in the spreadsheet, Excel spreadsheet, how do you sell product to a client, to potential clients? So one way of doing it is understanding what AkolagTech does, and we try as much to teach everyone or our sales team, affiliate, ambassador, what AkolagTech stand for, what is our purpose, and what value are we bringing to our clients. So the way you sell is understanding their problem. What are they facing? Is asking question. So normally when we meet a client, we're not just selling everything, because the problem is not all the time they are interested in all these product that we list here in the price document or online. So, but we give a variety of products for our client so that they can choose for. But sometimes they need our help in excuse me, deciding what product or services that they should choose from. So one of the way to do it is to ask question, ask legitimate question about what are they looking for, what are their problem, what are their struggle. So I'll give you an example. If they wanted to build a website and host, question would be, do you have anything currently that you have available? What is the reason that you're looking to build a website? what is the need? How do you want to structure your website? Do you want to have an e-commerce website? Do you want to be able to get payment on your website? Do you want to have secure login? Do you want to have SSL certificate where all the transactions are secure? So see some of the questions you have. Sometimes they might not know. They might say, "I just want something that is good. Choose for me." So you know, asking some basic questions, we can determine what they really need. So, for example, if we say I'm a small businesses who has a product that I'm selling to my clients. I'm not big, but I have maybe 100 of customers. They go to, I usually sell to them on social media or offline or whatever. But I wanted to have a website where I can just point them to so I can put all the information. So this is one of the basic things that we can be asking. Oh, do you look into get payment online? They say, oh yeah, I would prefer. So this is how you gather information. First is to ask question. Ask what are their struggle? What do they want to accomplish? How do they want to see their company in the next 2 years or 3 years? What is their goal? So question helps determine what product that we can sell. So they might be saying, "Oh, I just need a domain, or I just need a security. I just need somebody who can come in and design my website." Questioning is what help us get the right solution and product to our customers. So placing once you get information about the client and you know what they want, then you can start placing, ordering or placing the order for them through online or offline. Offline is like reaching out to the sales department and gathering all the details, and someone will forward it to maybe the tech support team that they can work on the web design or work on the provisioning of the product. So this is um, this is a way of getting our product and services to customers and get them the right product and solution that they requested. So this is it. If anybody has any questions, we always accessible online on WhatsApp, on email. You can always reach out to us if you have any question. If you want a tutorial on something, you can always let us know. Let us know. We can also create a video tutorial as well. So thank you everybody and have a nice day.